All right, this is my nephew Keenan. He's gonna open up a package that we just got today and see what it is. Take it out. Is it very heavy? No? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
What does it smell like to you?
Peppermint.
Peppermint? Does it smell sweet?
It smells like. I don't know what it smells like.
But it smells good?
Yeah.
Okay.
These little white things look like an ant horn. Because those little light things, those two things. What is they not for? I'll set this back in. Let's set it back in.
Yes.
Okay. Hold it up some. It's hard to put it back.
There you go. You just had to know what you was doing. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hey y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show you all this latest pair of waist beads that I have made. They are on an elastic string. I don't want them to be permanent. I don't think it's a good idea to have permanent waist beads when you have metal beads. These are for someone in my community who is going through breast cancer right now, and I just wanted to do something nice. I don't know exactly why I was led to create these. I won't be doing like a big reveal. That's not the purpose. I'm trying to commission some earrings from a friend as well. So hopefully that goes through. If not, then I'll just be gifting the waist beads. But yeah, I just wanted to show them because I thought they were super cool. And I hope that the receiver is brought just a little piece of joy in a difficult time. So yeah. We got some butterflies on there, some words. One says survivor, the other thing says God did. We got peace, love, and hope. The actual breast cancer ribbon. Yeah. So that's that. All right. I'll check back in with y'all later. Bye. Hey, what's up? I am taking a walk, of course. The weather is decent after having 2 extremely scorchingly hot days. And it's only like 77 today, so I'm just taking advantage of the overcast sky and the cooler temperature. Had a nice catch up with a friend of mine, a spiritual, what did I call her? My fairy god mentor. So I had lunch with her, and just being down by the lake, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take a walk off this food because I am extremely full. We ate vegan food at Twisted Plants, which was gooder than a mug. But yeah, that's it. I'm just out here taking a leisurely stroll while I still have time before I start this new job next week. But we are thankful and grateful for just the way life is lining up. I really couldn't be happier. I'll check back in with y'all later. All right, got some lunch from Trickle B Cafe from Vegan Soul. Vegan Soul Fridays at Trickle B Cafe. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, a salad, sandwich, some dessert, and soup. Corn chowder. And then some lemonade in the cup. Oh yeah, we about to get down. I wish y'all could smell the freshness of all of the food. Oh yeah. Hey, happy Saturday. I am at the airport on my way to Philadelphia. It is currently 4:10 in the morning. We are on the first flight out, and we will be landing in Philly at about 8:30. I am going with a group of women to Philadelphia for a women's health and wellness conference, which I'm super excited about. I get to vend and sell some waist beads and other jewelry, so prayerfully I make a whole bunch of money and don't have to bring so much of this merchandise back. Anywho, I will keep you all updated as much as possible, but hopefully I'm too busy selling stuff and learning stuff and healing and getting all of my wellness together. All right, I will talk to y'all later. They have like side by like townhouses where you own a half of the building. That's interesting because it's like the same house but slightly different on each other, depending on what the owner does.
On high blood pressure. If that's hour and a half talk is still available, please try to get access to it. There's a lot of information that we don't have today to talk about it, but I have a few slides that's going to pull out the key things for those who didn't.
Here for you when you come into my house, I make your dreams come true. Just bring me in if it's just what you want to do, and hold on tight and I will make it happen for you. Love, peace and harmony is my game. Imagination is the key. So come along and check these words out. Check with me now. We'll be together. Everybody. Always. Yeah, always. Come on. As one. If I got the energy, I know y'all got it. Come on, get up. Always. Always. We'll be together. Yes. As one. We'll be together. Always. Always.
Play it hot, just cultivate that joy. Bitch, you why choose the pain? Hey, when you got joy. Hey, why choose the rain? Hey, when you got peace. Relax, release. Relax, release. Relax, release. Relax, release. Y'all like that? Can I do another word? So what you want, yo? What you really, really want, yo? You wanna be goddess? Well, girl, you gotta go hardest. Hardest. Hardest.
Think,
Sit down,
think,
stand up,
think,
throw up,
think,
show up,
think,
wake up,
think,
wake up.
think.
I be tripping on that moonshine, ain't talking about the drink. Shaka sis lose all control, now tell me what the heck you think. I'm the boss of my body, never twisted for nobody's variety. It be my hobby, still the life of the party. Look bewildered like you son. Oh, to you that ain't no fun. So your hair back down on your knees over the dreams. I guess that's go ahead, get white girl drunk. I'ma go get black girl drunk and do my duty, cause they want more libations on the thing.
Feel good vibrations.
Tell me when,
Feel good sensations to the end.
but I never leave you.
Makes you feel you with this black gold water in your coat.
I'm proud of them because
Don't you hate when they get their food first and we like, I said, don't you hate when they get their food first and we just looking like, really? It's looking good.
I've never seen this out before.
yeah. Wow. Uh-huh. Oh, they got a little commercial and everything.
With string of hits, including I'm Gonna Make You Look by the Temptations and the Supremes. And their first top 5 hit, Expressway to Your Heart by the Soul Survivors. Gamble and Huff were ready to step out on their own to create a sound that would rival the popular tunes coming out of Motown. In fact, the duo was so iconic that both were inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 2008 and have won 5 Grammys for their work. In 1971, producer Tom Bell joined forces with Gamble and Huff at the fast-growing Philadelphia International Records, where he pushed the envelope as an arranger for acts such as Teddy Pendergrass, the O'Jays, Archie Bell.
Oh, they was not playing.
The Stylistics, and many more. In 1974, Bell won the Grammy for Producer of the Year, received a star on the Philadelphia Walk of Fame in 1993, and was inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame in 2006. By 1975, the sound of Philadelphia would go on to eclipse Motown's record and make Gamble and Huff the premier conductors of soul. Equipped with big voices and even bigger hair, perhaps some of the most iconic voices to come out of
Wow.
were the women of Philadelphia International Records. With 3 degrees, Sharon Page, Edie Shaw, Jean.
The flowers that's crocheted.
And even on the window.
Yeah. The chairs. You know what I just noticed? The bag. They didn't even bother that bag. They didn't even open it up. Look at God. When you do it, you know that sausage is meant to take that. Tomorrow, Tuesday, too. Bernie, you should make some tacos.
Nachos.
Forward and be prepared to step off. You're nearing the end of the moving walk.
Come see how many I seen Rocky. The Age of the Innocent.
Rocky made that song.
Ooh, Philadelphia was a good movie.
Oh,
That was a good
good movie.
I love that movie.
hey, Chuck. Hey.
Wait a minute,
Beloved?
Beloved was made here.
6 Cents.
Yeah,
I saw that one.
Philadelphia Airport.
I saw Unbreakable.
And they got this Philadelphia sound.
I saw Signs.
Man, you gotta go to the video.
Did I watch The Village? I feel like I did. I feel like I didn't like that one.
Y'all talking about which ones you seen?
I think all the Rockies.
That was the deal. I saw that too. That was weird.
Lady in the Water.
That was
that was
too.
weird.
M. Night Shyamalan is very hit or miss when it comes
I see the
to
last
whether or not I like his movies.
Love.
I think I kind of saw Creed. I don't like to see Black Man by himself.
That was a good movie. Split. You gotta watch.
Face forward and be prepared to step off. You're nearing the end of the
Concrete
moving
Cowboy.
walk.
Did y'all watch that one?
Yeah, he's so
And
fine.
be prepared to step off.
I watch it.
They don't seem to be afraid to show their blackness. Okay, so can I go ask them if they had anything to come out here?
You should.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
1920. Okay, only 1920?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
that means y'all have nothing on Kamala Harris, right?
Not yet.
Okay.
Well, this is the ending of it, so not yet.
But you think you gonna get something?
She ordered stuff, so we just trying to get rid of a little bit of this, but she's bringing in some within a couple of days. We just did inventory thing.
Okay, you just a little early then.
Yeah.
That's good.
I need to find a restaurant.
All right, we'll see you at the gate.
Hey, just coming on here to close out the last vlog. It has been a couple of days since I've even recorded. I got back from Philly and hit the ground running. I immediately the following day had to start training, and it has been going well. I'm super excited about this new job that I have. It has been a few years since I've actually worked for someone else, an actual W-2 job. And the company that I am with now, I am excited, super excited to work there, grow there, and really turn this into a career. Of course, I'm gonna bring you all along the way, but not yet. Not yet. I can't reveal the big secret yet. Anywho, Philly was absolutely amazing. The Black Women's Health and Wellness Conference was everything that I needed it to be, plus some. I appreciate everybody that bought an item from me, whether it was waist beads, bracelets, anklets, fans, whatever. I appreciate you so much. Spent the weekend having delicious vegan food. I was excited about that. So I'm absolutely gonna continue with incorporating more plant-based meals into my diet on a regular basis because I just felt good. There are some other things that we learned as far as like non-Western medicine, traditional practices like tapping and gua sha and acupressure points and things like that I'm going to be incorporating, or that I have been incorporating into my daily routine. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that goes. Met a wonderful group of women over the 2 days for the conference. There had to be maybe 200 to 250 women there. The information was just mind-blowing to hear all of those statistics on maternal and infant health. There is so much work that needs to be done in the medical field, so much work that we have to do as Black women to support one another in the process of pregnancy and after. We die as Black women at alarming rates. We have some of the highest rates of maternal and infant mortality in the world. In the world, not just America. And that is sickening and alarming. There is so much work to be done as far as grassroots work and work on policy. So listen, find Dr. Kanika Harris on whatever social media you can find her on. Follow her journey, support her journey. Listen, I don't like to be political because your views are your views, but do some research and make sure you get out and vote this November, okay? It is essential that we make our voices heard and that we continue fighting for us, because nobody is going to fight harder for us than we are. No matter how many bandwagons we jump on, we have to still be the number one advocate for our issues that we face as Black women, okay? Other than that, Philadelphia, you don't owe me anything, because I will not be back. I will not. Philadelphia has some of the rudest people that I've ever met, that I have ever met in my life. And I don't know what that's about. I don't know what that's about. Where is the brotherly love? Okay? Outside of the Black Women's Health Conference, the people there, they were phenomenal. Anything outside of that, from Uber and Lyft drivers to the airport customer service people. What happened? What happened to the brotherly love? TSA was, oh my God, TSA was awful. 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 I will not be back. I will not be back. No. Nope. Not unless I drive and I can avoid everybody except for the people that I'm going to see in the organization that put on the Black Women's Health Conference. I'm going to end this vlog here, and I'm going to pick the next vlog right back up later on today. So when you see the intro of the next video, just know it's going to be right here in this same outfit, and then we finna go outside. All right. See y'all in the next one. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this video. Invite somebody to the channel, because we be talking. You know what I'm saying? Like, we growing together. The empowerment is empowering. All right? And y'all know what it is. Complete my heart. Bye.